Good morning guys, time check po tayo. It's already 4:16 in the morning. Yes, it's 4:16 in the morning. So, family outing. We're going to swimming. Sa La Union is around like 2 hours ang biyahe. So, yung sasakyan namin. Yan ang sasakyan namin for the day. Kung merong sanang yung saksakan.
Meron naman siguro.
Baka meron sa loob. Hindi naman na-charge.
Hi, Sophie! Hi, girl! Hi! Ano, Sophie? Kasi mo punta Canada? Ha? Sa punta Canada? Ha?
Ako na lang. Ako na lang.
Hi guys, we arrived at La Playa. Yes. This is our second time to go in La Playa. The first time we went is around 4 years ago, 2022, yeah. It's still the same. The swimming pool still the same. And the beach. Okay guys, time check. It's almost past 8. So, we just arrived. So, chill lang muna. Magluluto muna sila ng food. So, it takes time. About an hour or 2. Okay lang. Pero ang ganda ng view. The same. So, ito. This is the view. Still the same as like 4 years ago. Yeah. O, diba? Same. Ang sabi daw sa beach parang there's a jellyfish. I don't know yet. Okay lang. Doon na lang ako sa swimming pool, diba? Yun. We're back. Papunta na kami ng beach. Actually, nandito lang. Yan lang. Hindi naman ganun ka. Diba? Enjoy nila. Enjoy sila.
Ay, hindi ako marunong sumayaw.
Wow, it's the sunset pero mataas pa. We're going home. Pero bago that, taking pictures muna kami. So, don't mind my white hair, okay? Pag nakita nyo sa video dito, oh my gosh, I have lots of white hair. Okay? So guys, thank you for watching. Bye-bye!